Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of Uttarakhand AEG Geology 2013 question paper, and I hope this solved question paper is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NET, GATE, GSI and other exams. Welcome to Set 2. Coming to the first question. Deepest parts of oceans is found in which of the following regions? Choices are A. Mid-oceanic ridge, B. Trench, C. Oceanic plate, D. Abyssal plate. Deepest part of oceans are found in trench. So, oceanic trenches are long, narrow depressions on the seafloor, and these chasms are the deepest parts of the ocean and some of the deepest natural spots on the earth. So, the choice is B. Trench. Next question. A line on a map connecting points of equal elevation is called A. Map line, B. Baseline, C. Contour line, D. Isotherm. A line on a map connecting the points of equal elevation is obviously known as a contour line. A contour line is a line on a map that shows the elevation of the ground or the depression. So, it's a common technique which is used to represent the topography on a 2D map, and it's often used to show the features like mountains, ridges and valleys. So, C. Contour line is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following rocks are characteristically found in subduction zone settings? The choices are A. Tholite, B. Ophiolite, C. Alkaline rocks and D. Comatites. So, the correct option is ophiolite, because ophiolites are the characteristic rocks which are found in the subduction zone settings, and these ophiolites are the fragments of ancient oceanic plates that are found in orogens, and these are considered as the key indicators of plate tectonics, and they are created at the ocean ridges, back arc basins or forearcs during the subduction initiation, and are then thrusted onto the edge of the continental plates. So, ophiolites are characteristically found in the subduction zone settings. So, B is the correct option. Next question. In which of the following regions the thickness of the crust is maximum? Choices are A. Continental rifts, B. Mid-oceanic ridges, C. Orogenic belts and D. Passive margins. So, the thickness of the crust is maximum at the orogenic belts. C is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following is considered as foreland basins? Choices are A. Central crystalline, B. Siwaliks, C. Lesser Himalaya, D. Tethys. So, the correct option goes as Siwaliks. Siwaliks are considered as the foreland basin. The Siwalik group is a thick accumulation of the detritus in the Himalayan foreland basin. So, that is made up of a siliciclastic succession that coarsens upward. And the Siwalik group's deposits are continental and are thought to have been deposited in braided river, meandering river and floodplain environments as well. So, Siwaliks are considered as a foreland basin. B is the correct option. Next question. Which of the following tectonic feature is not explained by plate tectonics? Choices are A. Oceanic plateau, B. Mid-oceanic ridge, C. Island arc, D. Accretionary prism. So, accretionary prism is not explained by plate tectonics, whereas the oceanic plateau, mid-oceanic ridges, island arcs, all these can be explained by plate tectonics theory. Next question. Which of the following is the correct evolutionary order for a horse? Choices are A. Hipparion, B. Merychippus, Eohippus, Equus, B. Merychippus, Eohippus, Hipparion and Equus, C. Equus, Hipparion, Merychippus, Eohippus and D. Eohippus, Merychippus, Hipparion and Equus. So, the correct evolutionary order for the horse is Hipparion, Merychippus, Eohippus and Equus. So, Equus is the modern day horse. So, A is the correct option. Next question. A fossil which had short geological range or short geological duration but wide geographical distribution are called as A. Type fossils, B. Rare fossils, C. Index fossils, D. Typical fossils. So, obviously the correct answer is index fossils. An index fossil, it is the preserved remains of a plant or animal that has lived during a specific period of geologic time and environment as well. And these are used to determine the age of the rocks that they are found in, to correlate the rock layers across different locations. So, these index fossils will have very short geological range or geological duration and but have a wide geographic distribution. C is the correct answer. Next question. What are stromatolites? The choices are A. Remains of animals, B. Remains of leaves, C. Inorganic structures, D. Algal structures. So, stromatolites are algal structures. These stromatolites are layered sedimentary formations, so that are considered to be some of the earliest evidence of the life on the earth. And they are created by photosynthetic microorganisms such as the cyanobacteria, sulfate reducing bacteria, and pseudonemata that produces adhesive compounds to bind the sand and other materials into mineral or known as the microbial mats. And these are the remains of the algal structures. So, D is the correct option. Next question. The tail piece of a trilobite is known as A. glabella, B. pygidium, C. apex, and D. pedicel. So, the tail piece of a trilobite is known as a pygidium because the body of a trilobite is divided into three parts, that is known as a head, thorax, and pygidium. So, head is the upper part and thorax is the median part, and pygidium is the tail part. So, B. pygidium is the correct answer. Next question. What is calceola? The choices are A. coral, B. trilobite, C. Gondwana plant, and D. pelicipoda. So, calceola is a coral. So, calceola sandalina, it is a type of the horn coral. So, that was widespread during the Devonian period, and it is also known as a slipper coral because of its sandal-like shape, which was an adaptation to living alone on the soft sediments. Next question. Which of the following are teeth-like microfossils? So, the choices are thecodons, B. conodons, C. coprolites, D. bathydons. So, the correct option is conodons. Conodons are extinct microfossils that had mouths full of tiny teeth that are similar to human tooth enamel, and these tooth-like structures called conodont elements are made up of calcium carbonate, fluorapatite, and organic matter. Next question. Which of the following is useful in oil exploration? A. foraminifera, B. echinoidea, C. gastropoda, D. brachiopoda. Foraminifera are used in, they are obviously used in oil exploration. So, these foraminifera are microscopic fossils that are used by the oil industry to find the potential hydrocarbon deposits and explore for the oil and gas. Next question. The study of the fossil spores and pollens is known as A. paleosporology, B. micropaleobotany, C. micropaleontology, and D. palynology. So, the correct option is micropaleontology. Micropaleontology is the study of the microfossils, which are fossils that are too small to see without a microscope. So, microfossils are usually less than 1 millimeter in size and can be found in sedimentary rocks, both marine and terrestrial. So, C. micropaleontology is the correct option. Next question. Which one of the following is an ammonoid? The choices are A. Turrilites, B. Trinucleus, C. Terebratulina, and D. Turritella. So, turrilites, A. turrilites is the correct option. Turrilites is a genus of ammonoid cephalopod that lived during the lower part of the Upper Cretaceous period. So, ammonoids are a subclass of the class Cephalopoda in the phylum Mollusca, and turrilites are characteristic. So, the characteristic features of the turrilites are their spiral nature and sinistral turreted shells. So, turrilites is an ammonoid. A is the correct option. Next question. The nummulitic limestone of India is of which geologic age? A. Eocene, B. Miocene, C. Pliocene, D. Pleistocene. So, nummulitic limestone of India, this is of Eocene age. Nummulites are a type of microfossil or foraminifera, so that were especially prominent during the Eocene epoch, so which lasted from 58.8 to 33.9 or around 34 million years ago. Next question. Find the odd one out of the following. A. Period, B. Formation, C. Age, D. Epoch. So, obviously, formation is the odd one out from these choices because here the period, age, and epoch. So, these are the time units of the geological time. So, these are nothing but the units of geologic time. And a geologic formation, it is a fundamental unit of lithostratigraphy, the study of the rock layers and strata. So, B. Formation is the correct option. Next question. The end of the Cretaceous marks the extinction of which of the following organic group? Choices are A. conodons, B. trilobites, C. graptolites, and D. dinosaurs. The end of the Cretaceous, it marks the extinction of dinosaurs. So, the end Cretaceous extinction, so this is the best known of the big five because it was the end of the dinosaurs except birds. Next question. What is that science called which deals with the arrangement of the rocks in space and time? A. geochronology, B. stratigraphy, C. sedimentology, and D. paleontology. So the science that deals with the arrangement of the rocks in space and time is known as a geochronology. Geochronology, it is a geoscience discipline, so that determines the age of the earth materials such as rocks, sediments, fossils and minerals, and it provides a framework for interpreting other geoscience data in the context of the earth's history. So geochronology can also help in determining the age of the geologic events. So A, geochronology is the correct option. Next question. Diamondiferous conglomerates are found in which of the following? Choices given are A, Vindhyan supergroup, B, Delhi supergroup, C, Kadapa supergroup and D, Dharwad supergroup. So the correct option goes as Vindhyan supergroup, because the Vindhyan supergroup in India's proterozoic basins, it contains diamondiferous conglomerate beds in the Bagian sandstone, Panna shale, Rewa sandstone and Jiri shale formations, and the Rewa series, which is located in the middle of the upper Vindhyan, it contains kimberlite derived diamondiferous conglomerates, and the Panna diamond belt, it is also known as a PDB, in Madhya Pradesh, Panna district is it is made up of Vindhyan supergroup of rocks to the south, and diamond mining activity is concentrated in the Bagian and Ghadara plateaus. So diamondiferous conglomerate beds are found in Vindhyan supergroup. Hope you have followed the questions, and see you in the next video. Thank you for your time. Hope you can explore to geosciences for more questions. Thank you.